channel Learn with Fun. Myself Sumaya Belim. In today's video, I'm going to discuss in detail about different types of angle. But when you talk about angles, you need to understand what is an angle and how it is made up of. So first, let us understand how is an angle made up of. Today's video is going to be very interesting. And to watch such interesting video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get a notification as soon as I post the videos. So what are we waiting for? Let's zoom into today's video. For making the angle, what I have done is I have taken two sticks and I have joined it by using a masking tape so that we get an angle. Alright. So if we talk about angle, students, an angle is having two arms joined together such that it has a vertex. This angle is called a vertex. Now this arm, if you see in the corner, there is arrow marks. So in other words, you can say an angle is formed by joining two rays having a common point of intersection. That common point of intersection will be nothing but a vertex of an angle. So this is how an angle looks like. Now, apart from this angle, there is one more thing that you need to understand is you need to observe a protector in detail. Students generally use this semicircular protector which starts from 0 degree and end on 180 degree. But in today's video, we'll be using a circular protector which will actually tell you what is the measurement of complete circle. And using this, understand different types of angle will be very easy for you. So observe the circular protector very carefully. If you observe this, in this protector, the angle, it starts from 0 degree angle, and you'll observe from right to left here, the value of the angle is increasing. 0 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 and so on till it comes to a perpendicular that is exactly 90 degree. So at perpendicular, the value of the angle will be 90 degree. It is moving towards from right hand side, it is now moving towards the left hand side. 90 degree, 100, 110 and so on till it reaches a straight line, a straight angle from 0 to 180 degree. Here it is a straight line, you can observe it is formed, and here it is 180 degree. But here the measurement of the angle doesn't stop here, it extends further. From 180 degree, now it is going down 190, 200, 210 and so on till it goes one more perpendicular at the base, that is 270 degree. And from 270 degree, now it is moving towards the right hand side, 270, 280, 290 till it reaches again back. After 350, 10 degree more you add, it becomes 360 degree. So here you need to understand that a complete circle always measure 360 degree. So according to this, now understanding types of angle will be very easy for you. Let's go on to the first type of angle. Students, as I already told you, an angle is having two arms. But if the two arms lie one above the other, they are just behind one another. So in that case, you will understand that there is no degree formed here. So what is the angle formed between these two arms? Your answer definitely is going to be 0 degree. Let me just place it on the protector and show it to you. How does a 0 degree angle looks like? So in 0 degree angle, one of the angle is at 0 degree. The other arm is also lying above it. So then the angle formed between these two arms is 0 degree. Then the angle is called as 0 degree angle or 0 angle. Let's go on to the second type of angle. If the measure of the angle is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, then that angle is called an acute angle. So here I've placed it, one of the arm I've placed at 0 and other arm I've placed it at 30 degrees. So measurement of this angle is 30 degree. Similarly, you can have any measure between 0 and 90, 70 degree, 45 degree and so on. So all this measurement between 0 but less than 90 degree, this angle will be called as acute angle. The third type of angle is a right angle. The right angle measures exactly 90 degree. So if you find an L shape in any angle given, definitely will understand from that the measure of the angle given is exact 90 degree and it will be called as right angle. The fourth type of angle is called an obtuse angle. So an obtuse angle is an angle which measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So any angle between 90 degree and 180 degree will be called as an obtuse angle. Like here, example given here, one of the arm is at 0 degree and other arm I placed it at 120 degree. So measure of this angle is 120 degree. Similarly, I can have many more angles here like 150 degree, 165 degree and so on. So any angle which measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called as obtuse angle. The fifth type of angle you can observe here. In this angle, both the arms are on the opposite direction. So here, what you'll observe, the angle between the two arms is exactly 180 degree. So then that angle is called a straight angle. So understanding straight angle or recognizing straight angle is very easy, where you will see both the arms are at opposite direction. A straight line is formed here. So a straight line always measures 180 degree. So the angle is called as straight angle. The next type of angle is called a reflex angle. So what is a reflex angle? A reflex angle is an angle which measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So any angle between 180 degree and 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Here you will observe one of the arm is at 0 degree and other arm is at 220 degree. So here this measurement of this angle formed here is 220 degree. Thus it is a reflex angle. Similarly here, if I place it at 245, so here even an angle 245 is a reflex angle. The last type of angle is called a complete angle. So what is a complete angle? In a complete angle, what is happening? One of the arm is at 0 degree and other arm is actually taking complete rotation. From 0 degree it will go on and on such that it takes a complete circle. So a complete circle measures 360 degree. So measurement of complete circle is 360 degree. Now you will say that it looks exactly like 0 degree angle. So how to recognize whether the given angle is 0 degree or whether the given angle is complete degree? In this figure, the way it is drawn, same way we draw it in a book. Here, this represents complete angle and the name of the angle given here is angle BOA. Left hand side, a circle is drawn. This means that it is a complete angle. So this was all about different types of angle. An angle which measures 0 degree will be called as zero angle. An angle which measures between 0 but less than 90 degree will be called as acute. Third, an angle which measures exact 90 degree will be called as right angle. An angle which measures more than 90 but less than 180 will be called as obtuse. An angle which measures exact 180 degree will be called as straight angle. An angle which measures more than 180 but less than 360 will be called as reflex angle. And if the angle takes a complete circle, then it will be called as 360 degree angle or a complete angle. This was all about different types of angle. If you really like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. See you on the next interesting and innovative videos. Thank you.